Okay, see children, this game has a platform, a trucker, and wheels as separate sprites, and the head is another sprite, and there is a light that you can see on the background, right? So total around 6 sprites are used over here. This is the background, and there is a, what you see, the truck over here, which is again parts, actually it's not a single one. Like this, they have designed each and individual component. Okay, and in that, how many scenes do we have? We have here, I think, only one scene. Let us see. Yes, only one scene is there in this particular thing. And let us see the any game properties or variables. Are there any variables?
No, sir.
So there are no variables or there are no properties. Very good. Let us see if there are any layers. Are there any layers? Yeah, yes, we have a base layer, lighting, and background. 3 layers are there. Okay. Using all these, this particular game is designed. So what exactly will happen here? The movement of this particular object is used in order to create the effect. We'll see one by one. He'll be explaining us everything. Okay. And also, let us. Can you mute everyone? The other co-host, except me and Lakshan. Harshit Raj, I have muted you. Unmute again. Harshit, please mute. People, you have to be muted and be disciplined. Okay. So see here. And not only that, let us see. Where is that? Here, let us also check what exactly each object is. Platform is an object of platform with behavior of physics. So I think in that when the platform is physics, obviously everything will be physics except the light. Light need not be physics because
head also, sir. Head also not physics, only it's not moving.
Yeah, see, all the things that are static and doesn't require any effect can be normal. Head, light, they are non-physics. They are just sprites. Okay. Now we'll do it from the beginning of this project in the next 20 minutes, and we'll be waiting step by step. So, for example, we'll create the whole platform. We'll wait for a couple of minutes for any doubts. Then we'll create the light and we'll wait for any doubts. Then we'll start creating the truck, and after creating, you can wait for doubts. And only when he pauses for doubts only, people are supposed to ask questions. Okay, children? Yeah, start from the beginning.
Yes, sir. Sir, from the beginning or just what we done just now, sir?
I don't know what you have done. Start it from the beginning.
Okay, sir. So we're opening an empty project, adding a new scene, open the new scene, and we can give a brown color background, as you see here. This is fine. Now for the car to move, we have to make the platform. Let's make the platform with Pascal. Adding an animation and editing. We have to just make a rectangle box for the platform. Color. Okay. And then paint bucket. Inside color, little bit blue, dark, so it's visible to our eyes. Okay, this is nice. Now we're going to resize it. Since it's a rectangle, it's not a square, but width and height defaultly it would be 64. You have to change it since it's a rectangle. Width is 50 and the height is height is.
You have to remove the maintain aspect ratio if you want both in 2 different varieties.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Now save. Now we need the car. We will arrange the platform later. We can just add the objects right now. We need the car for it to run on the platform, which is the main thing. Truck. We have that. We have the car and wheel separately. That's what we need. So we're going to add it. We're going to add two wheels since the back and the front wheel are different. Okay. Does anyone has a doubt until now? Okay. So you have to rename it to, this is front wheel.
You have to always zoom and add that object to the screen and do it. So we'll understand what is object. That small icon over there, we can't understand.
Yes, sir.
Later, you can still delete, no issues.
So we're going to make it bigger. Yeah, that's good. So this is the platform right now. I'm copy pasting it over here. Now, of course, we need the body, the car to move on the platform. So the wheels are like, the front wheel is going to go over here and the back wheel is going to go over here. It's going to be permanently attached, but not at the same object. So we can now rename it. This is the front wheel.
Darshan,
Wait.
Darshan.
wait.
No, I want to tell something. You forgot something.
What?
You should decrease that trucker body now.
No, it's okay. It will be fine.
Now it is so big.
You will understand it will be fine. No, it is fine only. We're going to change the camera zoom in the events. At that time, it would be fine. Okay.
Okay.
So now this is the back wheel. We can rename it as the back wheel. Now, let's just run it. Okay. It's not doing anything. It's not falling on the platform. It's just standing there because we didn't add the physics behavior. Of course, we have to add the physics behavior.
Yeah,
Okay.
we should go edit object. No, yeah.
First, we can rename this to platform. It is a little bit hard to understand. Platform. Okay. Now we have to edit the behaviors. Edit behaviors. Behaviors, add a behavior. Which one of this? Physics engine, right?
Yeah. Physics engine 2.0.
Physics engine 2.0. This is static as it's the platform, it doesn't move anywhere.
Static.
Yeah, static.
Because
Then
when we will click, when we will click dynamic now, it will go down and it will not.
Yeah. So we're going to change the width and height over here. Okay. So we're going to change the width and height over here. So the car, it lands perfectly or it'll be standing up. Let me show that right now. First, let's add the physics engine. add a behavior physics engine, right? Dynamic, yeah, okay. I forgot. We have to add a density of 3 over here to this. That will be perfect. Apply. And the front wheel, after edit the behaviors, add a behavior, physics engine, dynamic. It's a wheel, so it's probably a circle. The density of the front wheel is going to be 5. Okay, listen properly, everyone. And the back wheel, it's a circle. And the density of the back wheel is going to be 10 because it's the
No.
heaviest part.
Here in the type, you should set
No,
that now.
Tanish, Tanish, you will get a chance. You're not supposed to talk in others' class.
As told, the density is going to be 10 because it's going to be the heaviest part of the car. The friction for both the wheels is going to be 1 because it should move properly, right? So 1. And the same for the back wheel. Yeah, this is right. The same for the front wheel. Edit behaviors. And the friction is going to be 1. Right. So now, let's see what's happening. The car, see? It's staying the wheels. Forget about the car, the wheels. It's not going in this platform. See here, they're staying on the top. That's what I mentioned before. Now let's fix that. So for that, these options, these boxes, they're called the hitbox controllers for the physics engine. So we're going to work with this right now. The width. The width is going to be 0, but the height. Okay, the height. We're going to change the height to 10. It should be proper. Okay. And the truck body. Everything we're going to change it. We're going to change the height and the width so it is proper to below half of its width and height. So we have to check its width and height first. The object. Let's check its width and height. Width is 320 and height is 200. Okay. So width, keep it 150 and height, keep it 100. So it's proper and you can see the car going, riding on the platform and everything. Now let's try it if it's working properly. Before that, who thinks it would work and who thinks it won't work?
I think it won't work.
It won't work. Okay. Okay.
I think we need to edit the points.
Yeah, points that we can do later. Now we're just talking about the wheel staying on top, just hovering in the top without coming here on this platform.
It means it will work. It will work.
Okay. So we have to change the radius of the front wheel and back wheel also. Then only it works. You forgot about this radius. Okay. You have to change the radius. I have to check of the width and height first. Probably, okay, 120. So the radius is going to be 50. So the radius is going to be 50 of both the wheels. Okay. Front wheel and the back wheel. Now we have said it will work. Let's try it. Yes, it's working. The only problem is that the wheels are not connected with the car, right? And okay. As Dheeraj told, we are going to edit the points of the car.
Sir, okay.
So, sir taught this just 2 classes, some classes before. We're going to edit the points. Add a point. We're going to add 2 points for the front wheel and the back wheel. So it joins at correctly this place, right? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
We're going to name it front wheel. Wheel. X. And yeah, going to place it over here because the wheel is going to be joined over here. And now another point called the back wheel. Back wheel. The back wheel is going to be joined over here, so the point is also going to be here. We're going to add another point, but we'll do it later. Now, for now, that's it. Okay, close. Apply. Now we can start with the events. In earlier classes, I remember that Patanjali asked about angular velocity. So don't worry, Patanjali, we will be working on angular velocity over here. Okay. Add a condition at the beginning of the scene. Okay. At the beginning of the scene. Camera. It's going to be 0 point camera. Okay. Camera zoom, it's going to be 0.4. Okay. Now you happy, Tanish? You asked. It's so big. Change the car size. Now if you look at it, it'll be small. See, can you see? It's small. Now we understood why I told I will not decrease the size, Tanish. Okay, now we're going to add a wheel joint. A wheel joint, this is a new topic. It's in physics engine. Front wheel joint. Observe carefully because this is a new topic. Wheel joint. Anchor X on the first body means the wheel, where the wheel should, so the wheel, front wheel dot X. Okay. Now, the anchor Y on the first body. Again, front wheel. I forgot to ask, does anyone have a doubt until this part? The news, this part, not the events, until this part. Does anyone have a doubt? You're free to ask. Okay.
Nothing.
Okay.
Children,
Now we are going to add a wheel joint between the front wheel and the trucker body. That is the car. So wheel joint is a new topic. Listen carefully. Anchor X on the first body is going to be the front wheel because it's the one which is going to be joined. X, front wheel dot X, and then front wheel dot Y. Second object is going to be the trucker body. And anchor X on the second body is going to be trucker body. But we're going to use point X and point Y right now. Listen carefully. The point. What is the point name? Can anyone say? It's obvious.
here you can click on the sigma over there and get it directly.
Yes, sir.
That is the new feature in 5.x. So you can click on the sigma beside me. Delete that data.
Okay, sir.
Delete that line and click on the sigma. Yes. Click on point. Type point.
Okay. Point.
Type it.
Point. So
Yeah.
it's going to be the X position. So they have asked the X position on object. It's trucker body. Name of the point. Can anyone say which of it?
Front wheel.
Yes, right. Front wheel. Apply. And the same anchor wise. Gonna sigma. Search for point. Point. It's going to be the Y position. Okay, Y. Object is going to be trucker body. Name of the point is going to be front wheel, right? Wait.
Back
Yeah,
wheel.
front wheel. No, it's front wheel.
You should not type
Front
it.
wheel only. It's the Y position of the front wheel. So this we're not going to touch any of this because it's not needed over here. Okay. Now the same for this. I'm going to repeat the same process, but for the back wheel. Look at this carefully. Back wheel, wheel join. Anchor X is going to be back wheel. Back wheel dot X. Back wheel dot X. And anchor Y is going to be back wheel dot Y. Second object is going to be the so it's going to be joined at the back and search for point X. Object is structure body, and this time the point is going to be
Back wheel.
yes. Right. Apply and the same point Y position. Object is structure body. Name of the point is back wheel. Okay, since this is a new topic, I'm going to stop here for any doubts.
Run
Any
it
doubts?
and they will have the doubts or clarity. Run it once.
Okay. So as Sir told, we are going to run the project. So first, will the wheel be joined or not? What do you think?
Yeah, they will be joined.
Okay. Most of them think it will be joined. Now let's run it. What is the problem? Everything is right over here. Context 0.5. Why isn't it joining?
I think we have to edit the points in the wheel also. Like the center is, I think, at somewhere else.
Yeah, I think Vedant is correct.
Okay.
Go to edit object and you will edit the points.
Edit points and apply.
No check.
No, it's going here. It's going here.
Yes, it will come now. Try once.
Apply. Okay, wait. Now let's try. Yes, it's okay. So it's correct. What you told is correct. So correct. Everyone of you. So the point is going to be at the center. Close. Now let's run it. It will work now, right? See, it's working properly. That's right. It's working properly. Now, now again add a new event and nothing. Here is going to be nothing. So that means it will be forever. Now camera. We're going to change the camera zoom to,
We can use LURP option, Lakshan, right?
yeah, LURP. That's what I'm going to use. He's right. That's what I'm going to use. So the LURP going to be camera X. You all remember the LURP option, right?
Vedant,
Okay. Trucker body dot X, comma 0.05. That's going to be our value. Okay. Now, same, I'm going to repeat the same, but for the Y. Okay, listen properly. Camera, Y position, value, love, camera, Y, comma, trucker body dot Y. And the digit is going to be 0.05. Okay. Now let's run it once. See, it's working. It's working properly. Let's customize the platform now. You can't write with 3 blocks of platform, right? So I'm going to paste this. And this is going to be like this. Now I'm making it simple because I don't have time right now.
from where did you get that platform, Lakshan?
We just made it right now. If you want there.
Yeah, I got disconnected there.
Okay.
Right, it's very easy to make. We should make a rectangular color fill it. That's really no.
Yeah, that's it. And that's it. It's going to be simple. Now let's run it. Yes. Okay. Now we're going to control the track with using up and down arrow keys. So we're going to use subconditions over here. When the front wheel is in collision, physics collision, remember it's physics collision right here. Object is platform. Now subcondition when the key pressed, okay, key pressed. If key pressed is not working with someone, you can go with key released, but here I'm going with key pressed, up, up key.
Yeah, we can also use WASD.
Yeah, okay, but now here I'm using up and yeah. Here I'm using up up and down keys. Up key is pressed. We're going to change the linear velocity of the front wheel. Okay. Linear velocity of x.
Can you slow down, Lakshman? Actually, you're too fast and we can't actually do like what you're doing. We have to like, so I have to read up, then do, and then again come to Zoom. That's why.
So I told it to do afterwards with your understanding what I have done. Isn't that so, sir?
Okay.
Yeah, sir told that only.
Okay. Now, when the up key is pressed, the x value, it should be added with 100. So it will move forward. If you add it with 100, it will move forward. Okay. So for moving backwards, you have to do what? Anyone can answer.
Minus 100.
Yes,
Negative
right.
100.
Yeah, we have to subtract, right? When the down key is pressed, key press, okay, down.
You are using up key to move forward, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
down. The linear velocity of the front wheel. Linear velocity of x going to be subtracted. Yeah, Dheeraj is right. You're going to subtract it, but not but 100. It's going to be with 50. So it's a little slow. Okay. Now let's run it. Now it will work, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Now, yes, you're right. It's working. It's working perfectly.
But the wheels are not turning.
What? The wheels are?
Not turning.
They are
Rotating.
turning. They are rotating.
No, once run it and see.
They are. It's physics engine, so you don't have to worry about rotating. It automatically rotates. See, it's rotating.
Okay.
Yeah, it always make it realistic.
Yep. Now, you can just go forward and backward over here, right? You can just go forward and backward. But you can't jump. Am I right? You can't jump. So for that, the same subcondition. When the space key, for jumping, I'm using space key. You can use whatever you want. Key pressed, space, space. We're going to trigger once, so it won't. Trigger one.
It will be advanced.
So can someone say what would be the code here? For moving right and left, used a linear velocity of x. So moving up and down, what would be the linear velocity?
Why?
Yes,
Why?
yeah, right. Yeah, right.
Yeah, why?
Linear velocity of the front wheel. Why? It's going to be minus, because if it is a positive value, it goes down. If it's a negative value, it goes up. So it's going to be minus 1500. That will be correct. Okay, now let's run it.
So you did subtract minus 500.
Yes. minus 1. So now going forward, it's going backward. It's a jumping. Will it jump?
Yeah. Yeah. I think you can
Jumping.
increase the restitution. It will be good.
No.
It will be hard.
Restitution. It's for
First at
bouncing.
the-
No.
First
Yeah,
at the,
yeah.
Restitution is not needed over
first
here.
at the head.
Yeah, it will be very. Yeah, it will be very hard. No, that.
Lakshan at the head for the truck.
What?
The truck
Yeah,
body.
it's going to be truck. Yeah. So it's not going to be with the front wheel, but it's going to be with the truck. Okay. Truck. Now let's modify this.
You can add both the behaviors. No.
What? What?
Can
Lakshan.
have both the behaviors.
Sir.
No.
Lakshan.
What?
Platform or object and physics engine.
It won't work.
It
Physics
will
engine
work.
objects, physics objects only react with physics.
Lakshan.
Yeah.
No, it will
Yeah.
work. I did like that.
Lakshan.
Yeah.
Add a head for the body.
Okay, doubts and suggestions later, okay?
Okay.
So I'm just little modifying this. Um, why isn't this moving? Yeah.
Then you can do one click there once where you want to place it and control V.
What? And the angle is going to be 270. 270. Yeah. Now, we're going to run the project one. And that's it. You can't move, you can't change the angle of this. So you can't move over here. So what you have to do for that? That's what we're going to see now. If you can't change the angle of the truck, then you can't move forward with the platform game, right? So that's what we're going to. That's what we're going to do right here. So for that, when it's in the air, that's of the most need when it should be rotated in angle wise. So there's no condition or even called when something is in air. So what we have to do is, when the front wheel is physics collision with platform, but invert condition. Okay. Now, subconditions. When the left key, so when we press the left key, it should turn the left side, and when we press the right key, it should turn the right side. So this is where the angular velocity comes. So listen properly. So when the left key is pressed, the angular velocity of the front wheel angular velocity. It should be added with 5. So it will be moved left side. Okay. Add 5. Now, can anyone say me the same code for the right side?
-5.
Same.
Same.
Subtract 5.
Okay, right.
-5.
So key press right, right, right. Okay. Angular velocity. Watch carefully. Angular velocity is going to be subtracted with 5. Subtract by 5. Okay. Does now everyone understand angular velocity? It's clear, right? Okay.
Yes, it's clear.
Now let's once run the project. Yep. Actually,
Yeah,
control.
well, action if it is colliding with that last one, you can make it as like that super like that.
Okay. Okay. So the platform game is over. You have completed the platform game like that. Okay. Okay. But this is just a demo so that you could understand. Now the main part comes. It won't be interesting if this car has no light, right? So we're going to add a light over here. For the light to be clearer, you have to add a dark background. Now before that, let's just add the light.
Yeah, it will
Okay,
be new
where you
object
get
from
the
scratch.
light? Okay,
New
where do you
object
get
from
the
scratch.
No,
New
that's from
object from
scratch.
scratch.
Yeah. So as you know, the light is new object from scratch. The light is over here. Okay. Light radius, keep it to 1000. Okay, 1000. Okay. Now the new object is over. Once you have applied. Okay. Let me rename this to light. Light. Okay. Once this light object is added to the screen, check layers. A new layer is automatically added. Okay, a new layer is automatically added. Have to click on this light, this color. Make it a little bit dark so the light would be clearly visible. Yes. Okay.
You full dark, it will be very bright. It will be like a shining star.
No, it's okay.
I think it will be good if you give full black.
No, no. The light won't be visible. It will be dark, full dark.
No. Light should be in a white color and the background will be
It's
dark.
white only. It's white only, but won't. Okay. Now we are going to add the light. See how bright it is with without running the game. See how bright the light is. So, any ideas on how to attach the light to this light to this car? Yes, you're right. Edit points. We're going to add a new point. So, new point is going to be called light. Okay, light.
Yeah, it will be in the center. Can I am correct?
No, it won't be in the center. The light. One moment.
Yeah, actually, it is where you can give simply as actually you can give simply as the light should for
The light come from here. It won't come from here. There's already a place over here, so the light should come from here. Get it? Start from
Have a
here.
separate place now.
Yeah.
Okay.
So close and apply. So now, new scene. No condition. That's always here. Add action. Light. We're going to change the position. It's not a physics object. It's not a physics object. change the position. And we're going to change the position. Yeah. X position.
But it will come to middle now.
No, that's why we have the option called point X and point Y. We learned it just last class, if you remember.
Yeah.
What so you told?
Oh. 1 minute. So the sigma point X, object is structure body, and the name of the point is light, right? Light.
Yeah.
And the same equal to point Y position, object is structure body, and name of the point is light. Light. Apply. Now our game is ready. Everything. Now let's run it once.
Yeah, it is nice.
Light is not visible.
Yeah, but it is
So dark
coming
over here.
in the middle now. Torch is
No,
coming.
no, it's not coming from the middle. No, it's not coming from the middle. It's so bright over here, but at the screen it becomes so light. Why is that so? Let me apply. Now let's try it. No, it's so light. Yeah. Okay. Let's do a thing. Always over here, always add action. We're going to make it flicker. Flicker like I think you know what's flicker. We're going to make the light flicker. So to make the light flicker, set the color of the light. Not that. Set the radius of the light. You have an object called. If you click on that, you have a sigma. You have to click on a sigma and search for random in range. Random integer in range. Now, if you keep the minimum value 750 and 1000, it could be between any. It could be between any values. And now, if you try to do flicker, so get the flickering effect of the light, like the light of the car is broken or something. See, you can see the flickering right there.
Yeah.
Oops. That's it. The project is over.
First add the headman for the body.
What?
The head for the body.
What?
It
Who
is
is the head for body? He's asking.
Dheeraj only told don't add the head.
Yeah. Not nice.
The project was good.
Okay, Patanjali, I asked about angular velocity. Do you understand right now?
It's not there.
And, sir, I have completed the project, sir.
Very nice. That's actually good explanation of.
Thank you. Sir.
Children, do you
Does
still
anyone
any
have any
questions
doubt?
or doubts on that?